welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another DIY project, and today I'm gonna make another photo frame for you. I'm literally obsessed with making photo frames right now, and I wanted to show you the quick and easiest way that you guys can make them at home as well. I've actually gotten the hang of it quite well, and I have some friends that are actually gonna buy some from me. So all these flowers that you see today are actually been purchased from the dollar store by my friend who wanted her own photo frame. So I'm gonna show you guys what you need, and we're gonna get straight to it, okay? So what I've been using is a glue gun, and I also have some Gorilla Glue on hand just in case. I actually haven't used it, but I have it just in case. You will need some scissors and wire cutter. Most flowers actually can be cut with just a pair of scissors, but you will run into some that need a wire cutter every once in a while. So just go ahead and have it on hand. I wanted to show you the array of colors that I have today. We're gonna do a fall themed photo frame. So I have some off-whites here, right? Yellows, sunflower yellows. I have two types of sunflower yellows though. Make this little bouquet for you guys so you can start to see what we're gonna make here. Some oranges, and then of course a little pop of color, right? So that's gonna be beautiful once we get this into a frame, okay? So we also have some filler flowers, which is very important. Make sure you have an array of flowers. So far when I've been doing my photo frames, I have 1-inch flowers like these, and I also have big roses, so just so you can see in comparison. So these are fillers for gaps and things like that, which you don't initially see sometimes as you're going, but once everything dries and you take a step back and maybe come to it an hour later, come back to your photo frame, you'll start to notice, oh, there's a little spot, and then you can just fill it there. But I also have rose fillers as well. That just came right off. And I have white ones as well. So all types of fillers. Majority of these flowers I actually got from AliExpress online, and I just typed in faux flowers and I picked out a whole assortment of flowers on there, and they were inexpensive. Majority of the flowers came from China when I ordered from AliExpress, and they were about anywhere from $1.15 to $2, and shipping was typically free on majority of these flowers, but I ordered a lot. So if you watched my last video, it was about 1,000 small flowers I ordered, and I felt like I wasn't actually going to use majority of them, but I kind of did as fillers on some photo frames that I'll actually show you guys. So let's take a step back before we get started. I'll show you some photo frames that I've actually been working on, okay? All right, 2 seconds. Okay, so here's the first one. And this is for my friend. This is gonna be for her downstairs bathroom. It's just really different white frame here that I got from Home Goods, right? You guys can get a clear view of that. And these are those filler flowers that I'm speaking of here. Just wherever you see gaps or wherever you want it to pop out a little more. Then I have this photo frame here. Another one that I got from Home Goods, and this one had a quote on it, and it says, "How beautiful a day can be when kindness touches it." And I thought this frame was beautiful. I got it on clearance in Home Goods, so there was a little mark on it, but not enough to not get it, okay? Not enough to not get it. So here you go. Here you can see here I've used a different assortment of flowers. Let me try to hold this up for you. And this is a huge frame. It's very thick on the side, which is important to me. I love when they're thick on the side. And this is gonna be something that I hang up in my room, and I think this is beautiful, so I make this as well. But wait, I'm not finished yet. When I said I had an obsession with making photo frames, flower photo frames, I was not lying, okay? So here's another one I made. And this one here has the mirror frame, very beautiful. There's also styrofoam inside of this frame, so the flowers are actually popping out more. Very thick side, how I like. So when it hangs on the wall, it's like coming out at you, and that's what's really important to me. This one here is one of my favorites just because of the greenery and the gold frame. One of my friends actually bought this frame from me because, like I said, I'm obsessed right now, and she was just wanting to support me and my obsession, so she actually bought these frames for me. So and again, a nice thick frame there. Right? So filler flowers, different colors, different themes, just things, you know, what I think looks nice, I put it together and I try to make it look as pretty as possible. But of course, the first DIY project I did was the biggest, and it's in my first video how I made it and everything, but I will show you guys again in case you did not see the first video, all right? And that would be the big flower frame that's gonna be for the party. And that one's here. Super big, beautiful, tons of colors. We're gonna get close on this, okay? Super beautiful, really pretty, intricate, lots of details on it. Let's see if I can find a gap. There is a gap on here that I found before. Oh, wait, there it is. So that's something that I'll fill with one of those inch flowers, because there's quite a few on this frame. But yeah, just so you can have an idea of what I've been up to and what I've been doing. And I think what really made me obsessed with everything is kind of just the final product of everything. I love when it's finished and it's done and I'm just like, wow, I did that. Okay, so I'm going to do another one here for you. So again, what you'll need, glue gun, maybe some super glue, Gorilla Glue on the side, wire cutter, scissors, the flowers that you want to use, and of course your photo frame. And if you got long hair, don't care, you're going to need a clip because it gets hot, okay? It gets hot. All right, let me show you guys the frame that we're going to use today. Okay, so the frame we're actually going to be using today is this white one here. And this one is 16 by 20. That doesn't feel right, but it is. It's 16. Oh, converts to an 11 by 14, but it's a 16 by 20. Whatever that means. It's about medium size. There you go. Okay. Still not as big as the biggest one I did, which was the first one, and not as small as some of the smaller ones, which were simply actually 4 by 6s. 4 by 6s and 8 by 10s. I've done those as well. So, if you can see the side here, it's another wide one. Wide body frame, and I got this one from Home Goods as well, and it was on clearance. My red tag, it was $11, so that's pretty good. If I was gonna sell something like this, I gotta keep the price of the frame in mind, and then also the flowers as well. So I don't know, give me a price. How much would you charge for this? Write it in the comments below and we'll see. I'll think about it. Maybe I'll sell this to one of you guys or give it away. That would be fun. I could give this away as a prize for you guys being loyal subscribers. Look at that. Tell me what you think below, and I'll let you know in another video if I decide to give it away. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna start. I'm going to start by just placing flowers on the frame to see where I like the colors and just go from there, all right? I decided to put a little stencil work on it in the middle. I highly doubt you'll be able to see it when all the flowers are on there, but mainly this is me just practicing to see if I can actually do stencil.
Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise